Hello, welcome back for the experimental determination of percentage purity of HNO3. In second part, we have actually performed the experiment in laboratory, and the output of that experiment was first reading 17.4 ml of NaOH. Second reading was again 17.4 ml of NaOH, and third reading was also same, that is 17.4 ml of NaOH. So in this case, the constant burette reading was 17.4. For calculation purpose, we have titrated standard NaOH and the prepared solution of HNO3. For calculation, the reaction was NaOH plus HNO3, which gives NaNO3 and H2O, means 1 mole of NaOH is equivalent to 1 mole of HNO3. So therefore, the relation, that is N1V1 is equivalent to N2V2 is applicable. So this N1 is the normality of standard NaOH solution, and we have prepared the solution as 0.1 normal. This V1 is the volume of solution in burette, that is volume of NaOH required to neutralize the prepared 10 ml HNO3 solution, and that was 17.4, that is constant burette reading. This N2 means the normality of prepared nitric acid solution, and which we have to calculate. V2 means the volume of solution prepared HNO3, which we have used for titration purpose, and that volume was 10 ml. So by solving this equation, we will get the quantity, that is N2, means the normality of the prepared HNO3 solution. So after calculation, this value is 0.174 normal. So this is the normality of the solution which we have prepared for the purpose of experiment. Now from this normality, we have to calculate the strength of the solution which we have prepared, and strength is calculated by using the formula normality into equivalent weight. So the normality calculated is 0.174, and the equivalent weight of HNO3 is 63. So therefore, the strength of the prepared solution will become 0.174 into 63. So the strength will be 10.962, and its unit is gram per liter. But remember one thing, that we have prepared the 250 ml solution, means it was not 1 liter. Therefore, for calculation of the quantity of HNO3 in the prepared solution, we have to divide this value by 4. Therefore, it will become 2.7405, and its unit will gram per 250 ml. Means this quantity indicates the amount of HNO3 present in that prepared solution. means which have transferred by 2 ml of concentrated nitric acid. So this quantity indicates the quantity of concentrated HNO3 in the prepared solution, that is 250 ml of dilute solution. Now this is experimental findings. Now we have to compare these findings with the theoretical quantity of HNO3, and theoretical quantity of HNO3 is calculated by multiplying the volume of HNO3 with the specific gravity of concentrated HNO3. So the volume which we have taken for the experimental purpose was 2 ml, and the specific gravity of HNO3, that is concentrated HNO3, is 1.41. So after multiplying this value, it will become 2.82, and its unit will be in gram. So the volume which we have measured 2 ml was 2.82 gram of concentrated HNO3. So therefore, for calculation of percentage purity, we will compare the practical quantity of HNO3, that is which we have calculated from the experiment, and the theoretical quantity of HNO3, that is which we have calculated by the volume of HNO3 and the specific gravity, the multiplication of these two terms, that is 2.82, and multiplying it by 100. The 100 indicates the percentage. So practical quantity was 2.7405 gram, and the theoretical quantity is 2.82 gram into 100. So after solving this equation, we will get the percentage purity of nitric acid 2.7405 divided by 2.82 multiplied by 100. So it is 97.18%. So this is the purity of concentrated nitric acid which we have used for performing the experiment. So note down this reading and compare it with the actual values of percentage purity which is indicated on the commercial or the concentrated nitric acid bottle. Thank you.